Where is everybody? There are over 200 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. Mathematically, alien civilizations shouldn't just exist. They should be everywhere. Yet all we hear is absolute cosmic silence. This terrifying contradiction is the Fermi paradox. Here are 5 disturbing solutions that explain why we haven't found them yet. To understand why the galaxy is empty, evolutionary biologist Robin Hanson proposed a terrifying concept: the Great Filter. The idea is simple, yet brutal. Somewhere between the origin of life and an interstellar civilization, there is an evolutionary wall, a barrier so impossibly difficult to cross that almost no species survives it. This leaves humanity with a chilling question: where is the filter? If it's behind us, we are extraordinarily lucky. It means going from single-celled organisms to intelligent life was the ultimate miracle, and we are simply the first to cross the finish line. But if the filter is ahead of us, the silence of the universe is a warning. It means every civilization that reaches our technological level inevitably destroys itself, whether through nuclear war, runaway climate collapse, or artificial intelligence. This is why discovering alien microfossils on Mars would actually be terrible news. It would mean life is common, and our extinction is still waiting for us. What if the universe isn't empty, but terrified? Author Kixin Liu introduced the dark forest hypothesis, and it offers a chilling perspective on cosmic silence. Imagine the universe as a dark, silent forest. Every civilization is an armed hunter, stalking through the trees like a ghost. Resources are limited, survival is the absolute priority, and you can never know if another species is friend or foe. In this forest, revealing your position is fatal. The moment a hunter detects another civilization, there is only one logical choice: eliminate it before it becomes a threat. This explains why no one is answering our calls. They aren't dead, and they aren't ignoring us. They are hiding. And humanity? We've been broadcasting our location into the dark for over half a century, like a child screaming in a room full of monsters. What if we aren't alone, but simply being observed? Proposed by astrophysicist John Ball, the zoo hypothesis suggests that advanced alien civilizations are well aware of our existence. They just choose not to interfere. Think of it like a nature reserve. When human scientists study wild animals, they don't walk up to them and hand out smartphones. They observe from a distance, allowing the species to evolve naturally without contamination. To an interstellar species, humanity might be too primitive, unpredictable, or volatile. They might be waiting for us to reach a specific technological or spiritual threshold before making contact. Under this theory, the cosmic silence isn't a sign of an empty universe. It's a deliberate, coordinated quarantine. We aren't being ignored. We're inside a galactic cage. What if the answer is much simpler and far more lonely? According to the rare Earth hypothesis, humanity isn't late to the cosmic party. We are the first ones to arrive. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, which sounds ancient, but cosmic history is just getting started. The vast majority of habitable planets in the universe haven't even been born yet. To create intelligent life, a planet needs an absurd list of cosmic coincidences: a stable star, a massive planet like Jupiter to absorb asteroid impacts, a large moon to stabilize axis tilt, and a magnetic field strong enough to block lethal radiation. If this combination is a 1 in a trillion event, then humanity is not an ordinary occurrence. We are an improbable anomaly. There are no signals in the sky, because we are the very first civilization to look up at the stars. What if we are looking for aliens with the wrong tools entirely? Think about it. For the last century, humanity has relied on radio waves, but radio technology might just be a temporary primitive phase that advanced species abandon within a few hundred years. Imagine an anthill next to a highway. The ants have no idea that millions of gigabytes of data are passing right above their heads via fiber optic cables. Not because the highway is empty, but because ants simply lack the sensory organs to detect light signals. To a Kardashev Type 2 or 3 civilization, radio signals might be as outdated as smoke signals are to us. They could be communicating using quantum entanglement, neutrinos, or dimensions we haven't even theorized yet. The sky isn't silent. We're just listening to the wrong frequency. Whether we are protected, quarantined, early, or simply ignoring the noise, one uncomfortable truth remains. Humanity spends billions trying to conquer the sky, assuming we are the main characters of cosmic history. But the universe doesn't care about our arrogance. We are a tiny, fragile species, stranded on a pale blue dot, shouting into an endless, cold void. And maybe the most terrifying answer to Fermi's paradox isn't that aliens are dangerous or that they are hiding from us. Maybe the scariest thought of all is that we are truly, completely alone. Think about that. I'll see you at the next horizon.